So this was my Halloween costume yesterday for our Halloween stream on Twitch. Link in the description, by the way, if you guys want to go follow the stream. But yeah, this was a I just wanted to share this with you on YouTube because it's funny, it's a blast, and it's a good hook. So, with that, let's get into the video. Roll the intro. Ugh. Oh, I'm free. Oh. This costume gets really warm, but it's fun nonetheless. Whew. Not bad. Yeah. There we go. Hey guys, Jaren here. Welcome back to another video. Glad you're here. For this video, I kind of just wanted to sit down, chat, and I've got some things on my mind I wanted to talk about today. I always found it kind of cool when YouTubers kind of broke away from their, normal content and they kind of just sat down and just chatted for a little bit. It was always kind of, felt real, it felt genuine. It was always kind of cool to see that when YouTubers did that. And they don't do that very much anymore, so I kind of miss that. So today, I just kind of want to talk about YouTube, the journey that I'm kind of in at the moment, and just kind of want to share with you what's on my mind. Now, when it comes to YouTube, it's very easy to get caught up in the numbers. One of the biggest things that I struggle with when it comes to YouTube and content creation in general is I am a numbers guy. I get really caught up in the numbers. I'm like Mason from like Call of Duty, just like, Mason, what do the numbers mean? I don't know. We're still figuring it out. But I get so caught up in analytics and the details that it takes away from the creative part of doing YouTube. And I get so caught up in like, how did this video do better than this video? Like, for example, my last video that I posted before this one was the merch store tutorial video, and that one got a whopping 10 views in 1 week. It was pretty bad. And the video just before that one was how to use your GoPro as a webcam, and that now has over 300 views, making it my most viewed video on the channel. I don't know. Now, I expected both of these videos to do pretty decent on the channel. Not 300 plus views, but I'll take it. And the merch store video, I was expecting to do better too, but that flopped. And when I see that happen, I always kind of ask myself, what did I do wrong? What mistake did I make here? And I wish I had friends that were in the YouTube space, that were content creators as well, that could kind of take a look at my channel and go, oh yeah, Jaren, you're just, you just need to work on your titles, your thumbnails aren't really all that engaging, all that good stuff. I wish I had people I could just kind of ask. And you look at a YouTuber like Mr. Beast, for example. I was listening to a podcast he was on, and he was talking about how he obsesses over YouTube. Like, he literally loves talking about it. He's passionate, and you can tell that he's passionate about what he does. And he's one of those guys that could look at a channel and just immediately tell you why it's not growing. And so I wish I could just like text Jimmy real quick and say, hey, do you mind taking a look at my channel real quick? It's not growing like I would like it to, but I don't know what I'm really doing wrong. And so he could instantly look at it and tell me that and give me that feedback. But sadly, I don't have that kind of contact. And so that question remains like, what am I doing wrong? And I have watched every YouTube tips and tricks, how to grow. I've read every article. I've done so much research on how this platform works. And even though I've done all that research, I still get the 300 plus view video and the 10 view video. Like, I don't know what's going on. And I know one of the biggest problems for me is I don't technically have a niche. And all of these how to grow on YouTube videos, they all say the same thing, like have a niche ironed out, like you're in tech or you vlog or whatever, you have a niche, right? And yeah, I get it. I probably would grow a little bit faster if I just stuck to one thing. But to me, that's kind of boring, honestly. It feels like I'm in a creative box when I talk about a niche. And I look at these other YouTubers that I watch that I enjoy watching, and I don't want to be a copycat. Nobody wants to be that guy that, the copycat guy, but, I want to do something similar to what they do. That makes sense. Like Marquez Brownlee, I love his approach when it comes to tech reviews. It's just it's simple, it's honest, it's to the point, and I enjoy watching his videos. And I hope that when I do a tech review, it's kind of similar to that. And another YouTuber I watch, Peter McKinnon, His production value is just through the roof. I feel like I'm watching a movie every time I watch his videos, and it's just such good quality, and I strive to have that quality. That's why I invested quite a bit into a setup early on. I would do things a little differently now, but yeah, I wanted to have that kind of quality that Peter has when he talks about photography and videography, and try to have that high quality production. And another example, I also, talk a lot about Twitch and that platform on this channel, and so I enjoy watching, Twitch advice, Twitch tips. I can't say it. But Twitch tips and tricks videos are, I watch those as well, how to design things for Twitch, how, what are some cool things to add to your streaming setup, what is a good streaming PC, good webcams for streaming, those kind of videos. I enjoy watching those. And Harris Heller is just another creator that does just a really great job in his approach to creating videos that help you grow your stream. It's like, that's awesome. He provides so much value, and I want to provide value like that. And then I love talking about like mindset and creativity. I find that stuff fascinating. And a creator like Matt DeVella, who does talk about those habits and creativity and how to stop procrastinating, that kind of stuff, like, it's very fascinating. I find those videos really interesting. And I know on this channel I don't have a specific niche. I don't quite fit in one category or another, but I kind of want to be a combination of all of those examples I just gave, like a combination of all of them, and I don't know what this is, but yeah, it's a combination of all of it. And I think when it comes to a niche, sure, you can fit yourself in a category or a topic, but you kind of are your own niche. You're your own person. You have different views, you have different thoughts, different ideas than other people, so it's like you kind of are your own niche. So the one thing that I kind of need to break away from is this idea that I need to find a niche, and that I just need to, be me. I need to upload the videos that I want to upload, even though it may not get all that many views. I don't expect this video to get that many views, to be honest. I don't. The title of this video, it's not going to be something that's super searchable. It's not going to be something that's going to be super, that the algorithm is going to probably take very far, but it's a video that I think it's more real, it's more authentic, and that's what I like about making, these kind of just sit down and talking videos. And when I started 2020, I started this year with this goal of, I'm gonna put out a video every week on this channel. I wanted to take YouTube seriously. I wanted to really give this a chance and give this a good shot. And I have, for the most part. We've done pretty well with uploading on this channel. And even though I get really caught up in the growth and the numbers, the way you grow on social media is very fascinating. It's not something that just, people just come out of nowhere and they spike and all of a sudden they're a YouTube star. That's not how it works. It actually, they grow exponentially. Here, let me draw a graph for you. Here we go. It looks something like this, where you have followers over time. So at first, you have no followers, right? You start here, and you kind of slowly build, slowly, and then all of a sudden, you get a snowball effect, and it starts to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and boom, and all of a sudden, you are developing this really big community. And right now, we're here. Right now, we are still here. We're a really small-sized snowball. And even though, we're this small snowball, that's okay, because I know what it can be. And when it comes to creating on YouTube, this is something I've decided that I want to pursue. This is something that I want to do. And whether it works out or not, I don't know, but I enjoy doing it. The one thing that I have to continue to tell myself is don't worry about the details, don't worry about the analytics, the numbers, the views. That will happen at some point. That will happen eventually. Focus on creating content that you enjoy and be consistent with it. That's what I'm trying to continually tell myself. And my dream for this channel, sure, having a lot of subscribers is cool, but I would much rather have maybe less subscribers and more people interacting in the comments and sharing ideas, having discussions. That is a lot more meaningful than a follower count. And that's why I always encourage people to comment down below, because it's always fun to see, and I love interacting with you guys in the comments because it's fun, it's enjoyable. I love to hear your thoughts, your ideas, and what you think. It's always fascinating to me. So to get a community that interacts like that, that's the dream for me. When it comes to content creation, it's kind of the Wild West out here. There's no one way to do it. There's a lot of wrong ways to do it, but there's a lot of ways that it can work for you that it can work for me. And, you know, it's just trying to figure out what works for each of us. So yeah, it's kind of where I'm at in the feeling out process, enjoying the journey. That's a pretty good ending point right there. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. And speaking of interaction and comments, why don't you leave a comment? Let me know what you want to see on this channel. I always love hearing your thoughts, and it may become a video, and I enjoy seeing ideas. So let me know, what do you want to see down in the comments below? What are some questions you may have? Because that just might be a video I make, which could be a lot of fun. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Be sure to like this video if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. And with that, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one, everybody.